As the bus rumbled through the streets, the conductor, a young man with a book tucked under his arm, noticed the boy sitting alone with a lost look on his face. "Hey kid, what's on your mind?" the conductor asked, taking a seat next to the boy. The boy looked up, surprised by the sudden attention. "I don't know what to do with my life," he admitted. "I want to do something meaningful, but I just don't know where to start." The conductor smiled knowingly. "I used to be in the same boat as you, always searching for answers and opportunities. But then I realized something." He paused, gesturing to his book. "Education is the key to unlocking those opportunities." The boy's eyes widened with curiosity. "But I don't have access to education like you do," he said, gesturing to the conductor's book. "You don't need fancy schools or books to educate yourself," the conductor replied. "Just